how to create a Microsoft Teams account. So basically, it's just the same as creating a Microsoft account. In general, since in Microsoft Teams, you're just gonna go ahead and continue with a Microsoft account. So, but if you don't have one, actually, you can download this app over here, which is the Microsoft Teams app, or you should be able to do this in your browser as well by searching of Microsoft Teams and then just signing up. But in the app itself, you can go ahead here and create or use another account. Then just go ahead and press this, which is create an account. Then you're gonna go ahead and put in your email. Then just press on next. For that, you're gonna have to put in a password for your new Microsoft account, your name as well, and your last name. You're also gonna have to put in your birthday as well as your country and region. So just go ahead and put in the exact details as well to avoid any extra problems in the future. But now you're just gonna go ahead and verify your account. So make sure the email you're using is an email you already have access to in your Gmail, since they're gonna send a verification code there. And once you get the verification code, put it on the box, and you should be able to proceed and follow with the prompts, and you will be able to create a new Microsoft account and thus a new Microsoft Teams account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.